Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a very common annoying problem where your phone automatically switches to 2G network even when 4G or 5G is available. Because of this, your network becomes very slow, calls may drop, and apps stop working properly. But don't worry, I'll show you simple and working solutions step by step. So let's get started. Solution 1. Check network mode settings. First of all, open Settings app on your Android phone. Now go to SIM and network settings. Tap on your SIM card and look for the preferred network type. Make sure it's set to 4G and 5G auto or LTE 5G preferred. If it's set to 2G only or 3G 2G, change it immediately. Solution 2. Turn off battery saver mode. Sometimes battery saver mode forces the phone to switch to 2G to save power. So go to Settings app. Now scroll down and tap on Power Marathon. Then tap Battery Saving Settings. Here tap Battery Saver. Here turn off Battery Saver. After turning it off, restart your phone and check network again. Solution 3. Disable Data Saver. Another reason for this issue can be Data Saver mode. Go to Settings app. Tap SIM and Network Settings. Then tap Data and Security. Tap Data Settings and Data Usage. Tap on Data Saver. Turn off Data Saver. This allows your phone to use full network speed without restrictions. Solution 4. Reset network settings. If the problem is still here, try resetting network settings. Go to Settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then tap on Reset Phone option. Then tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. And again tap on Reset to confirm your action. Don't worry, this won't delete your personal data. It will only reset network settings. Solution 5. Check SIM card and signal area. Sometimes the issue is not your phone, but the SIM card or network coverage. Try removing the SIM card, clean it, and insert it again. If possible, test your SIM in another phone. Also, make sure you are in an area with good 4G or 5G coverage. Solution 6. Update your phone software. An outdated system can also cause network bugs. Go to Settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then tap Software Update. Check if an update is available, update it. And that's it for today's video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.